do cocaine, ooh. I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name, yeah. I can't buy no bin away rain, ooh. Rather go and buy ball man, ayy. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. My lean cost more than your rent. Ooh, your mama still live in the tent, yeah. Still slaying dope for the jets, huh? Me and my grandma take meds. Ooh.
Down to the stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking grade A.
It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my god, I'm on the chase. Chevy is getting kinda heavy. Relevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay.
We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. How it's supposed to be, living young.
Say what?
And free. And I don't even care, cause if me and my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell them, Mac.
Blowing everywhere we going, and now you knowin' when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up.
That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a size project, me and Mac killed it.
Hey, where's the other dude? Why doesn't he vape check?
DEV, HD3, hi, it's me. This is
Let's
us.
the guy
We
hiding.
gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live
So
our life.
we get drunk, and wild and free.
What are you skipping us?
Monster kill.
It's just supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun.
Wait.
So we just roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll
I'll show you a
smoke
vape-
one,
a vape
and we
trick.
all just having fun. So up, we get drunk. So up, we smoke weed. We're just having fun, and we don't care who sees. So up, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
We failed!
Do it again, Kill. Watch.
Oh sure, wait. I'll show you a trick.
Yeah, just go on. Yeah, move on.
And I don't even care, cause if me and my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell them, Mac.
Blowing everywhere we going, and now you knowin' when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up.
That's how
I'll
it
show
should be
you a
done.
trick.
Soon
I'll
as you
show you a
thinking you're
trick.
down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my
Oh,
own and I could
wow.
probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a size project, me and Mac killed it.
THC, MAC, DEV,
I like the music.
HD3, hi, it's me. This is us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live our
So
life.
we get drunk.
Go to high school.
We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go
Where are you from, by the way?
out. That's how it's supposed to
Texas.
be.
Oh, Texas.
Living young and wild.
You got accent, mate.
No, I don't.
Yeah, roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party.